My name is Marcel Marchiglen Alpha by BS Criminology 1 Alpha. My report is the digital era of photography. The technique of photography originated during early to mid 1600s. It starts from camera predecessor known as a camera obscura, a Latin word which means dark room. It was a box wherein when the light went through the pinhole, it formed an image on the glass. The famous artists of the Renaissance who used the obscura were Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. The camera obscura, predecessor to the modern camera. It originated in the early to mid 1600s and consists of the box with a pinhole. When light passed through the pinhole, it projects an image onto the glass inside the box. Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo were among the Renaissance artists who used the camera obscura. It is important to note that the title, The Digital Era of Photography, seems misplaced given the content focus on the camera obscura's origins which predate digital photography by centuries. Next is in the 1820s, Joseph Niepce, a French scientist, improved the lithography, the method of printing technique which is based initially on the immiscibility of oil and water. Joseph discovered a way to copy engravings into glass using a variety of materials. Joseph Niepce contributed the lithography in 1820s. Niepce, a French scientist, improved the lithography printing technique, which is based on a principle that oil and water don't mix. Immiscibility. He found a method to copying engraving into glass using various materials, primarily bitumen, light-sensitive asphalt. The image shows a man working with a lithographic press and the example of the stone lithograph. The title Digital Era of Photography is again inaccurate as this slide describes a printing process from the 19th century, long before the digital age. Next is in the year 1900s, photography became available to everybody. Its fame started with George Eastman, who was the founder of the Eastman Kodak Company. The first camera open to the public was the Kodak #1. That photography became accessible to the general public in 1900s. George Eastman founded the Eastman Kodak Company, played the key role in this democratization of photography. The Kodak #1 is cited as a first camera made widely available to consumers. The slide includes image of George Eastman, a box of Kodak film, and an early Kodak camera. While this slide is closer to the digital era than the previous ones, the title, The Digital Era of Photography, is still misleading. The content describes the popularization of film photography, a crucial precursor to digital but distinct from it.